Time to close this chapter, turn the page, 'cause I've been chasing after you in vain. It only pushes you away, though I lost all hope and it brings me pain.
Be having this now, this bollocks and this.
We're opening up now, officer. We're not going
No. I know them all now. I know all these young lads now. They're all the same.
No, but I'm different now, officer.
No.
Sure, look. I'll turn around up just at the top of the road. I'll turn around, yeah.
All right, I'll let you do that.
In a state of 911, so let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around. What is this? Must be a circus in town. Let's shut the shit down on these clowns. Can I get a witness? Hell yeah! Let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around. What is this? Must be a circus in town. Let's shut the shit down on these clowns. Can I get a witness? Hell.
Oh my god, I'm dark. So this is scene one behind the scenes. I just filmed. How do I turn? I can't turn this around with fucking. Okay. Well, I don't know if you could see, but I had to move the hose, and there was a random ass bottle just sitting outside as well. So to move those, first scene, take two of the 320D appreciation video. You're probably wondering why we're starting off with the coupe, the coupe, instead of the 320D. Now, it's because the E46, it's parked outside my window, basically, in my bedroom. So it's literally parked outside my window. So be rude not to, right? But yeah, it's fucking. Oh yeah, I also forgot to say the main reason why I want to do behind the scenes is because my dumbass decided, I'll just jump out my window, I'll go move that hose, move that bleach bottle. Didn't put on any Crocs, so I was literally in socks. And the ground is fucking drenched. So I wear the only pair of black socks I have. Now I would just do bare feet, but then I'll probably get loads of creeps in the comments saying, "Oh my god, your feet look like shit." I don't care. I couldn't give two shits, but sure. Anyways, also yes, my trim is fucked. I know. I don't care. But yeah, let's get to the What the hit? This fine. For context, I was driving on a very flat tire, so that's why it struggled me to get it done. But that's a blooper clip. Yay. So hold on, we're just jumping in here really quickly at the start of the video, or at the end of the video. What the fuck, the start? The end of the video here, just to say, thank you for watching, first of all. This has kind of been, this is kind of my first time doing something like this, and something that I just wanted to tell you guys that this year, my plan is that I want to do more with YouTube. I want to do more series, like CNC car reviews. That's coming back this year. I'm going to be starting a new series, hopefully, at some point this year, either probably around February, March time, hopefully. There's going to be a new series that I think a lot of you will like. It's going to be very fun, very good. It involves one of these, a new one of these. That's all you're going to get. If you paid attention to my end of year video, at the end of that video, plus that, you might be able to think. I've hinted a lot at this in the past. So, but anyways, thank you for watching. If you have any series ideas, let me know. Again, CC car reviews, that's coming back. Also, I have a video updating the shed that was I actually recorded last year in December-ish, so it'll be a bit old. But yeah, again, hope you guys enjoyed. There should be also a lot more diffing meats, Forza diffing meat video should be coming up. That shed video should be coming up. So get excited. It should be should be probably next month, because I don't like posting these really consecutively, or unless if you want me to, let me know. But anyways, doesn't matter. Goodbye. Enjoy. I'm gonna eat this baguette now. All right, go fuck yourself. Let me eat this fucking baguette in peace.